Dzikhakhathi dza vusa bonyongo na ndozwo ya matshilo a vhathu. Zwifanyiso izwi zwi khou tou sumbedza zwo iteaho mahola khakhathi dza u pwashiwa na u tshiwa mavhengeleni vunḓuni ḽa Gauteng na vunḓuni ḽa KwaZulu-Natal. Miraḓo ya komiti ya zwa vhusevhi vho amba zwitatamennde zwo liyanaho kha zwikwamaho khakhathi idzo.
We did our job as state security. We collected information, we analyzed it, we packaged it for the client, and as I repeat, as you adequately reflect on what was said before, we gave it to the client.
The intelligence information has provided timeous, critical and sometimes unique analysis information to give early warning signs of potential risk and dangers. The law enforcement officers have used this intelligence information in responding with speed to the issues on the ground and attending to areas which have been identified as potential hotspots areas.
We did not get the information was the fact that people were going to go into the malls and loot and do all of the things which happened at the malls. We did not have that information, at least on our side. And from what I am getting, even the police did not have that information.
President Vho Ramaphosa vho ḓo sumbedza uri a vha nga si tombo nṱha ḽiṅwe malugana ṱhoḓisiso dza khakhathi idzo.
We regret the situation that has resulted in this. This is not what we want to see in our country. And obviously we are going to have to re-examine everything that we do in defense of our people, in defense of the assets of the country.
President vho ḓo rwela ṱari ṱhoḓisiso dza khakhathi idzo hune zwa zwino muvhigo wo bvaho na wone u khou sumba nga miṅwe mapholisa na vha tshumelo ya zwa vhusevhi.
We are not surprised by this report because we have warned President Cyril Ramaphosa many a times that he must fire the Minister of Intelligence and the Minister of Police, but he did not want to listen.
The report has reached the correct conclusion that the riots must be squarely blamed at the incompetence of Ramaphosa's government and its security institutions, whilst noting the worsening socio-economic conditions of our people as a fertile ground for the mobilization that took place following the arrest of Jacob Zuma.
The report also is not telling us about the root cause of the problem, the root cause of the unrest. It also tells us about how the situation was responded to, which give us worries as a party that we might find similar occurrences in the future.
Muvhigo uyu wo bvisela khagala u thengathenga zwa vhusevhi kha lino shango.